Hey y'all, welcome back to the BG Bakers. Today we're going to make cream cheese cookies, so let's go ahead and get started. First, in a large bowl, sift together 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of baking powder. Then, whisk it together. Now in a stand mixer or a hand mixer, cream together half a cup of room temperature butter and 4 ounces of room temperature cream cheese. Now you're going to add in 1 cup of granulated sugar, and you're just going to whip that up until it is light and fluffy. Now mix in 1 egg and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Halfway through mixing, you're just going to scrape down your bowl. Finally, you're going to slowly add your dry ingredients to your wet ingredients in 2 additions. Okay, now we're just going to cover up our dough and put it in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. Once your dough has finished chilling, you're just going to roll them out and put them on a cookie sheet about 1.5 inches apart. Pop those in the oven at 375 degrees for 10 minutes. About 8 minutes into your baking, you're going to press down the tops lightly with a cup. After letting them cool slightly, transfer them to a wired rack, and then you can sprinkle some powdered sugar over them just to give them a little extra sweetness. Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure you try out these cookies. They are so delicious, so make sure you go and try them. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe and like this video and turn on the notifications so you get notified every time we post a new video. Bye!